This is the program for finding number of characters and number of words in a given string. Let me explain step by step. The string has been declared, then words is initialized with 1, then characters is a variable initialized with 0. Then why it is been initialized with 1, I will tell you. Then you this is the step for getting the input string from the keyboard. Okay, this step, why wrote this step is the string is empty. Okay, without entering any character, simply if you press enter, then it will shows number of words 1. That is not correct output. That's why the string is empty. If it does not enter anything, okay, at that time the words will be 0. I will explain. I will show you at the time of executing this program. Then the string, you can read each and every character from the given string until you find the null character. Then here, if the condition returns true, if not encounter any null character, the for loop returns true. Then it check the condition, internal conditions. This condition will be used for checking the characters. Okay, if it is not space, then it is represent. It is treated as a character. Okay, that's why the character variable is incremented by 1. After that, if it is false, it comes to the else if. Then if it is space or it's a not a new line or not a tab. Okay, this condition I written for checking the words. Okay, then word is incremented by 1. Okay, what is incremented by when it counter as a space because it is represented as one word. That's why, but it is not a new line, it is not a tab. Okay, I wrote this condition. Then word is incremented by 1. Then total words. Okay, when the string encounters a null character, the loop terminates. Then afterwards, the words number of words has to be displayed over here. The number of characters has to be displayed. Okay, then I'll show you the execution. Yeah, this is a program I written in Alan compiler. Okay, then I would like to run it. Then please enter the string. Then I am Indian. The string has been given. Then here how many words and how many characters? Words are 2. Then total characters are 9. Okay. Then once I will run once again because without entering any string, just I press enter. At that time, number of words 0. Then total characters. Now it is without entering anything. Also, our program is correct. Then if I remove it, let me if you remove it. See here, I remove it. Then run it. Then just I entered without entering anything. Then it shows total words 1 because it is not correct. That is the reason I included this one. If string is empty, then words should be 0. Okay. If you have any doubt regarding this example, okay, please ask me at any time through the comment. Okay, thank you all for watching my video.